It's time now for Futures in Focus. With Greek voters backing Cyprus, rejecting the referendum, concern about the economic stability in Europe is having a major impact on futures this morning. Joining me now from the CME is Todd Horwitz, founder of AverageJoeOptions.com. And Todd, we're going to hit the futures trifecta, gold, oil, and the euro this morning. Let's start with gold because we are, as you might imagine, seeing a lot of fluctuations across all three of these. What kind of action are we seeing in gold?
Good morning, Julie. You know, I think gold right now, what we've seen over the last 6 or 7 months in gold is it's really been stuck in a range, and it's now back at that lower end of that range. Now, it's interesting that the last 2 Sunday nights we had trouble in Greece, and yet gold failed to really rally. I think there's a lot of pressure on gold here based on what's going on in the dollar, based on what's going on throughout the globe. Now, I think that people are going to want to own a hard asset here, and I think gold is probably a pretty good buy right here. You know, 1165, 1170, 1160, anywhere in this area, I want to be a buyer of gold down here because I believe what's going to happen is as all this stuff starts to flush through the system, we're going to see a much bigger move in gold as there's going to start to be a run to hard assets, gold being the key player right here.
But if the turmoil that we've seen thus far hasn't given a boost to gold, why is that going to change?
Because, you know, see, people look at gold as the wrong type of thing. Gold is really not a replacement for your currency. Gold is another commodity like anything else. The difference that gold has, it's a hard commodity that you can hold forever without it losing value. It has no float other than what the markets tell you. Now, with the overly strong U.S. dollar over the past 6 months and the weakness in euro and other things going on, it has put pressure on gold. But if you look at gold against the euro currency, it's much higher. And what I think you're going to see is that money will start to flow out of markets and into hard assets like gold, and I believe that this area is a terrific level to start owning gold.